In this video, there is partial longitudinal tear of the posterior of the medial meniscus along with the posterior meniscocapsular separation, that is ramp tear of the medial meniscus, which you can visualize through the window between medial femoral condyle and PCL. There is a wide separation between capsule and the posterior most part of the medial meniscus that is highly unstable. So with the shaver, a bleeding surface is created and a fibrotic tissue is removed between the meniscus and the capsule, and visualization is made better. Take a single lumen cannula for inside out meniscus repair. You can bend it little bit. Put your scope through the medial portal and the cannula through the anterolateral portal, so that it can get a proper trajectory between medial femoral condyle and the PCL. First, aim it toward the posterior capsule and pass a number 20 fiber wire preloaded needle through the capsule. Now relocate the cannula at the middle zone of the medial meniscus and pass the same needle. So it will create a vertical mattress type of configuration and it will compress both the surfaces together. Now repeat the same steps to take further more stitches. So little bit more medially the stitch is taken, which will also cover the partial longitudinal tear. So same step is repeated till the entire ramp area is covered. In this case 3 stitches were taken. Once the needle is passed, from the outside surface the sliding knot is taken, and once the knot is taken you can see the very well compression between the meniscus and the capsule, and the ramp is properly closed. Thank you.